Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be testing out shades from the ColourPop Lux Gloss collection. Here are the swatches. These are 8 different shades that are included in the Sealed with a Gloss kit. The colors are more everyday nudes, ranging from pale peaches and corals to mid-tone pinks and plummy terracottas. Here are the lip swatches. First we have Just Cuddle, which is a pale peachy nude. Next we have Ticklish, which is a pale peach with pinpoints of multi-dimensional pearl. Next is Overnight, which is a pale coral. This is Blissful, a warm mid-tone pink with pinpoints of pink, gold, and silver pearls. This is Tied Up, which is a cool mauve. It has a bit of shimmer in it, which is kind of an iridescent multicolor shimmer. This one actually feels a little bit different than the others. It's a little more creamy and a little less glossy or sticky. Next is Come Through, which is a warm terracotta with pinpoints of silver and gold pearl. Next is Dream Queen, which is a muted coral. Last but not least is Slow Motion, which is a plummy terracotta. So all the colors that I featured today are part of the Sealed with the Gloss kit. These each retail for about $8 each. Personally, I found the doe foot on this ultra glossy lip to be a bit unwieldy. It was actually quite large and I found it sometimes gave kind of a patchy or uneven application. They say that the intention is to get all the color you need in one swipe. I didn't find that this was the case for me and actually prefer a smaller applicator. When you compare it to something like this ultra glossy lip, the Lux Gloss definitely has more of almost a citrusy or fruity flavor, whereas the ultra glossy has more of a sweet or vanilla flavor. If you're enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. So before I go, I just wanted to quickly share my favorite lip shades. First is Overnight, which is a nice pale coral shade. Next is Dream Queen, which is a slightly deeper but still muted coral shade. And last is Blissful, which is a warm mid-tone pink. When I wear warmer eyeshadow shades, I find myself reaching for a lot of coral shades. That's why Blissful and Dream Queen are definitely 2 of my top favorites. I tend to wear a lot of pink shades like this because they're closer to my natural lip color but just add a little bit of polish. If you like the makeup I'm wearing in this video, it's the ColourPop Nude Mood palette. I have a tutorial for this that I will link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear what your favorite shade is from this line or if you have a different lip color you'd recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.